Is Facebook down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I want to talk with you about Facebook being down right now. I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. So if you try to go to Twitter and then if you search for Facebook down, you will see some comments from people who also have problems with Facebook right now. This guy says right here, Facebook down, had me thinking I was blocked because I couldn't find them in the search bar. Also, if we scroll down, as you can see here, sorry we didn't find any results matching this search. So you are not the only one who has problems with Facebook right now. You don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. But if you still want to try to fix it, you should restart your device, log out and then log in again. And you can also go to your settings, go to app, clear the cache and the data and see if it works. But mainly you just have to wait until they fix it. So if you do have issues with Facebook right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, what is not working for you, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic, and you can turn on the notification bell so you will be notified once I will post another video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.